Clara, I just got handed over a new patient, Mr. Bernard Ellis. It's quite a complicated case. He's a 68-year-old with a history of COPD, but he's been admitted now due to a suspected silent myocardial infarction. Initially, they thought it was a COPD flare because of his breathlessness and fatigue, but the troponin levels told a different story.
Silent MI? That must have been a tough call. How stable is he now, Mihira?
He's stable but very fatigued. He also has type 2 diabetes and mild dementia, which makes the picture even trickier. His sugars are erratic, and he forgets he's eaten. Plus, he's been showing signs of orthostatic hypotension, especially this morning during assisted mobilization.
So Mihira, what's the priority in terms of his care right now?
Well, the cardiology team wants close cardiac monitoring for arrhythmias, but Dr. Samuel stressed that fall risk should guide our immediate interventions. They're more concerned he might fall again, like he did last week at home, even before the cardiac episode was suspected. That seems to be their main concern for now.
Mihira, I want to explain something very important that will help you heal and feel stronger each day. The reason we talk about early mobilization, or getting you up and moving not too long after your surgery, is to protect your body from problems that can happen when you stay in bed for too long. When you lie still for a long time, your blood can slow down and form clots, especially in your legs, and your lungs may not expand fully, which can lead to pneumonia. By simply sitting up, standing, or walking a little, you keep your blood flowing and your lungs clear, which also helps you feel more independent and confident. Moving sooner often means you can go home earlier, back to your own space and routines. Now, to get out of bed safely, I will guide you gently. First, roll onto your side, keeping your knees bent. Use your lower arm to push your body up, slowly bringing your feet off the bed while you sit up on the edge of the bed. Stay there for a moment to let any dizziness pass. When you feel steady, you can stand up with support. Please never rush, and always ask for help if you feel unsure. You are doing so well, and each small movement is a brave step toward getting better.